Hello, hello, and welcome back to another video. I am on Willis Avenue in the Bronx, which is very close to the bridge, the Willis Avenue Bridge that takes you to Manhattan. So I'm in the South Bronx, very close to Manhattan, with 5 seconds left to make this light. Can I do it with virtually no safety gear on? This car is going to take the light, so I'm going to let him through. I knew he wasn't going to look to see if a bike was coming in the bike lane, so I slowed down myself. Folks, I'm not wearing any safety gear other than a helmet right now. I don't even have my gloves on or anything. It's freezing cold. I have a quick journey I need to complete in short time. So the amount of time it takes to gear up and all that, while definitely worth it for safety, was going to cost me the entire mission in terms of time. So I'm gonna just be extra cautious, be very careful, keep a lookout around me, and hope for the best. Try to make it there in one piece. This guy's zigzagging. Fella with the zigzagging. No thank you. Welcome back, people. Thanks for tuning in to EUC NYC Guy. I appreciate all the subs, shares, comments, likes. I appreciate all the support on the channel. Thank you guys very much. If I have not responded to your comment just yet, know that I am going to. I do so whenever I find myself available to take on some comments, and I'm going to get every last one of them. If it's the everything I do, I will get to each one. So thank you guys for taking the time to comment. I will take the time to comment back. I even sometimes comb through videos and reply to replies of comments, which I don't get an alert for. The only way for me to know that someone replied to someone else's comment or to one of my own comments is to actually go into the videos and do the drop down list of comments and see the actual comments. So I even do that as well. Yeah, so a couple things I noticed lately. First of all, we are well into March. Weather is getting better, but it's still cold, and it's been raining for many days straight, 4 or 5 days straight. So very happy to have some dry pavement to ride on right now. I don't like the sprinkling and splashing of wetness onto my center axle for my veteran Sherman, nor in my inner shell or any other parts for that matter, because of rust and other potential water damage outcome probabilities. But that said, there is something I've noticed about this camera, the Insta360 X3 camera. So it's only started doing this recently. I've noticed that the stabilizing feature, whatever it is in the camera that makes the camera picture very stable, does not kick in on my first video that I record for the day. Now, I don't know if that means per charge or per day or per, I don't know, afternoon, per a little while. But I know that, let's say I'm out recording for the first time today. The first video I shoot will be really shaky. It'll have this sort of shaky, like, feel to it, like this. And then the second video, so I won't even know this, of course. I'll just be recording, thinking, okay, this is the first video I've shot. Great. Wrap. And now, second video. Now, the second video comes out stable. The second video comes out fine. Third video, fine. Fourth video, fine. Fifth video, fine. If there is that many videos. But the first video of the day, more than once now, I have noticed it comes out shaky. And I've tried everything in the settings to fix it. And I've been wondering why it's shaky. But I've not been able to come up with an answer. I Googled it. I checked maybe there's something I can do to make the video stable in the settings. And there is nothing that I know of. So I'm going to speed up a little here, folks, because I feel like traffic is starting to surround me a little bit. So I'm just going to try to get a little bit of a Shout out to all the people out there leaving comments and likes and shares. I appreciate you guys. And if you have any ideas or suggestions on locations of where to ride for me to enjoy some good scenery, or some topics for discussion, if you want to hear my personal viewpoint about any specific idea or topic, please let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for things to put on the table and flesh out with you guys. You guys always give me great feedback too in the comment section about whatever it is I'm talking about. So today hasn't been much more other than just complaining about another Insta360 camera flaw with the shaking, but it's a short journey. I'm not fully geared up. You know I wasn't going to say no to the helmet though. The helmet is the one I consider to be the non-negotiable, because if all else fails, I at least would like my noggin to be protected. So, what else is new? Yeah, so spring is kicking in. Any plans for the spring, anyone? What's going on out there with you folks? Okay, I have a couple of ideas. I've been thinking about doing more on the screen. By the way, data should be on the screen. I'm not giving up on that. I keep trying every time I go out now to get the data on the screen. That would be the speedometer, GPS data, and some other data, elevation, gain, and all that. So if it's not on the screen, it failed yet again. I know I always say that, and then you watch the video and there's no data. Well, yes, I don't forget. It's not on the screen because it didn't work. So sure enough, that is the case. So if it's not on the screen again for this one, it didn't work as well again. So let's stay up to date on that together. Alright guys, I'm going to let you go here. Thanks for clicking. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking in. This has been a quick check-in. I hope you guys are doing great and have a great day. Goodbye.